Body Kojic Acid Bar Soap. Restore Kojic Acid Soap for even skin tone at the best price with early Black Friday deals. Be ready for a radiant complexion with Body Kojic Acid Bar Soap, the perfect choice for achieving an even skin tone ideal for daily use. It promotes healthier, more beautiful skin. Take it with you on your travels, worry-free about confiscation anywhere in the world. Say farewell to ineffective body soaps and dark spots and embrace smoother, more luminous skin. The Body Restore Kojic Acid Soap is gracefully crafted in a timeless bar form, boasting a silky texture that indulges the senses. Its enchanting lavender hue bestows an eye-catching elegance, transforming any bathroom into a sanctuary of charm. Designed for practicality, the packaging ensures effortless storage and travel, all while highlighting the soap's pure natural essence and paraben-free virtues. The calming and soothing scent of lavender carries a sense of relaxation and comfort that helps ease the mind and envelops you in a state of tranquility. It reduces dark spots through kojic acid, which fights hyperpigmentation, gently exfoliates, and provides antioxidant benefits. A full set of vitamins including vitamin C, collagen, retinol, and vitamin E provides benefits like antioxidant protection and collagen production. They promote even skin texture and tone, improve overall skin health and radiance, and enhance nourishment, hydration, firmness, and elasticity. Kojic acid helps reduce hyperpigmentation and promotes an even skin tone. Vitamin C, E, and retinol for antioxidant protection and nourishment. Shea butter and hyaluronic acid keep skin hydrated and improve skin elasticity. Turmeric acts with anti-inflammatory properties, promoting healthier skin. It is free from parabens and contains a natural formula without harmful chemicals. Users have provided diverse feedback regarding the Body Restore Kojic Acid Soap. Many commend its gentle formula, noting that it creates a luxurious lather and has long-lasting use. One user praised its lovely fragrance, while another emphasized its ability to leave the skin feeling clean and soft. On the other hand, some users raised concerns about dryness and variable effectiveness in lightening dark spots, which can depend on individual skin types. They recommend pairing it with a quality moisturizer for those with sensitive or dry skin. The Body Restore Kojic Acid Soap is a well-rounded skincare product that combines effective ingredients for individuals seeking to improve their skin's appearance. While user experiences may vary, the positive attributes such as its soothing fragrance and nourishing content make it worthy consideration for any skincare routine. However, potential buyers should remain mindful of the possibility of dryness and variability in results concerning dark spot treatment. For those in search of a gentle natural soap with added skincare benefits, this product is certainly worth trying. For more updates on similar product reviews and videos, please like the video and leave a comment for additional information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.